Hi, y'all, it's me. Well, you are seeing a pre recorded video to an event that's coming up, which is our first ever nationwide PHA retreat. And it is hosted by Christian, myself, and Yvette. And we are so excited. We've been planning this for so long. And so, actually, you're seeing the video after the retreat, but I'm filming before because I've got to pack up stuff and wrap things and whatever. Excuse me. So, anyhow, I'm sure the event is going to be or was amazing. I'm sure that everyone's going to talk about it. Will be a good time. There's so much that we're planning to do that day or the 2 days because it's a 2 day event. And we're going to meet people that we only know online and some of our friends that we've seen before. We're going to have classes, we're having games, we're having prizes, sponsors. It's crazy. So there's 35 attendees, and I don't know whether to talk in past or present. It's hard to do both. But anyway, we're having 35 attendees, and it's going to be super fun. So if we decide to have another one in the future, if you think you want to attend, remember to look out for it. Remember to book tickets. You're going to not regret it. I'm sure everyone's going to be talking about this. It's going to be so much fun. So let me jump into the things I want to share with you. I have two classes that I will be teaching, and the classes revolve around Christian's project, which she's making and teaching, which is a desk caddy. The theme is summer, so we are doing a collection using simple stories, just beachy. And whatever classes Yvette and I are teaching will be items to go into Christian's caddy. So, with that said, the one item that we're making for my class is we're going to be making a little storage box. It's this little suitcase, and it's just really cute. It's simple. We don't want to make them too overwhelming as far as projects, so we're trying to keep it low this time. We'll see how it goes. But anyhow, this one has a box, so you can store your ephemera in it because they will be getting swag bags, kits with extra ephemera and stuff, and they'll need a place for it. So that's what this project is for. I think it came out really cute. It's relatively easy to put together. So that is one of the classes I will be teaching. And then the next class that I'm teaching is a camera because, of course, when you go on beach summer vacations, you need cameras. So this one is a, hold on, it's got it cut over there somewhere. Won't go down. There it goes. This one has just some layering. I've done the lens. I think it's super cute with some pom-pom trim back there. I did faux stitching with a gold pen. I just thought it would be cute to do that. It has the little fake plunger so you can pretend you're clicking. It has the strap here so they can move it around. And then on the back, you have your viewfinder, and then they'll have this little swing tab here area where they can lift this up and journal if they choose to, and maybe store some summer photos in here. I don't really know what they can use it for. They can figure it out, but that will be my class. So those are the class part that I'm doing. I don't have the other stuff to show you because I haven't made it yet at Christian's and Yvette's project. Yvette's making a traveler's notebook. So I'm sure they'll be adorable. Well, they are adorable. I've already seen them. The next thing that I wanted to do, ever since I had that cold, I get this obstruction in my throat and it drives me crazy, especially when I'm trying to talk because it just bugs. So let me jump into what I did. I wanted to bring everybody in the retreat a little something just to give them a little something, and I made this entire box. It's got 35 in there of these little things, and I'll pull one out to share it with you. It's this little treat bag, if you will. I just made a little bag, put a handle on it that I used some scissors to cut, scalloped edge as I did with this piece of paper. This is crepe paper that I just kind of fringed up and put it there. There's some little tissue in here. And then inside, everyone's getting, let me see if I can pull it all out. They're going to get a lip balm. They're going to get a keychain and a little lollipop. And they're different lollipops, but a lot of them are Suns. So that is just a little token for everyone who I meet at the event. I wanted just to give everybody a little something, something. So, and I also have my little handmade label at the back with our first retreat on there. So that's that for that project. Now on two of those items, they're going to have a heart on my handmade tag at the back. And those people who get the hearts, I don't know who it'll be, but whoever gets it is going to win some prizes from me. And for this prize, I found these cute little boxes that look summery, so I got those. They're going to get one of these little kits that have scissors and whatever, paper clips and stapler, whatever in there. And then they're going to get a handmade item from me, which is this little folio, if you will. It's an ephemera folio. And I use KB and Friends collection for this. And I think it just came out so cute. It's so beachy fun. 4th of July-ish kind of too, because that falls in the summer. And so this is the cover. And then this is the back. And you could see I have my little tag on there, which I made different for this item. And then I did the spine. I did stitch everything. This is raised up on pop dots just so I could do some layering, a flower back there, just cute little stuff. So to close it, I put this little tab that tucks behind this thing here, so you just push it there. That way you don't have to have a special magnet or anything, just let this do the work. When you open it up, there's two areas right here. And then this one unties some seam binding that I colored myself. This little one flap here has a pocket so they can journal on that or put a photo in there, whatever they'd like to do. That swings open, and then you have this layer. So again, journaling or photos. Those open, and there's that. And then these open, and there's that. So they can put photos and journal all over that if they choose to do so, whoever wins it. Super cute little idea. And then I'm just going to lightly tie this back so it doesn't fall apart in the shuffling here. Oh, now, of course, I'm on camera. I'm not going to be able to tie a darn bow. Are you kidding me? Yep, I'm kidding. Not kidding. Oh, sorry, you guys. I just have a lot going on right now, and I'm trying to get as much of what I can get done. Down here, I cut out a banner from the collection and just raised it on pop dots so it would give it some dimension, as I did with this little crab. And that's a picture from the collection itself. And then inside this pocket, it's filled with a lot of the ephemera from Catherine's kit. And I'll link it down below for you so that you can find it if you're looking for it. Catherine is one of our sponsors, and she's giving away a digital collection, so the winner can choose this collection if that's what they'd like, or they can pick something else. So anyhow, it's just filled with tons of ephemera for them to use. And again, you just close it, and that's it. So there's two of those that will be given away, and here's the second set. So I made those. I showed you the treat bags, and now I'll show you one more thing before I move on. I think I'm going to do a second video because this one's getting kind of long. One of the prizes I'm giving away, it has nothing to do with our sponsored gifts or the event gifts. This is just my own, as those were. I found this cute bag. It's Tutti Frutti. It looks really summery. Tutti Frutti, and it has some back. It's really big, so it's hard to show you. Inside of this one, they are getting a tumbler. These are Dollar Tree tumblers, and they were hard to find in my area for a minute, but I finally got one because I knew I wanted one for this bag. So you can either use it as a sipper or a straw. They're going to get these flavored mix to use for that. And then the other item they're getting is a traveler's notebook that I pulled together. Just a fast one, nothing big and major. It's just something fun they can use for the months of summer. I made a little charm dangle. I sewed and then I laminated. And then I laminated these pieces separate so I could pop them on pop dots on top. So give it a little bit of dimension. I added some elastic here. And then when you first open it, there will be a pocket on the side that has ephemera in it so they can use it throughout their journal. This is the first little booklet. It just has some pom-pom trim and just some plain paper. I didn't do anything to it because I want them to be able to do what they want to do when it comes to this. This is the second little signature, and it has a pocket up here with some ephemera for them to use within the booklet. And then there's also a folder inside so they can have some more ephemera and play with this. This collection is from Echo Park, and I used it for the remainder of my projects, which it's so cute. So anyhow, I'm going to end this video here and go on to part 2. There's just so much I want to show you that I made. Everything else is stuff that I've made. So come back and check it out. And boy, this was such a fun, this has been fun, really, honestly, it's been fun. It's been a lot of work, but it's been fun. So come and see me on part 2. Till next time, do what makes you happy. Bye for now.